Yes guys, welcome back to another video from TooEasy Labs, and today we'll be taking a look at TooEasy Fetch, a free power-up found in our Webflow app. Now this solution can be very handy as it lets you to retrieve and display content from other project pages. This means we can avoid native Webflow nesting limitations and much more. So let's jump in now and take a closer look on how to set this up. In this example, we have a collection that consists of 3 categories: TV shows, movies, and top picks. We want to display a list of related products under each category. Now, if you have a look in the CMS, you'll notice we have 10 items under each category. However, on the page, only 5 items are being shown under each title. This is because Webflow only allows us to nest a total of 5 items. The good news is that we can use Fetch to get around this by fetching the list from the collection page. Now, I've already set up this solution on another project page, so let's take a closer look. Okay, so you'll notice instead of inserting a second collection list, we have a div block with a custom attribute name of TE_fetch. Everything inside this wrapper will be replaced with the content we're fetching from our other page. We also need to apply a second custom attribute of TE_fetch target. This value can be anything that you like. You'll just need to make sure that the element we're fetching has a custom attribute name that matches this value. In this case, we're using a value of catalog-list. Next, we need to place a link block inside this wrapper that links to the page where our fetch target exists. This is the catalog categories collection page in this example. The last step is to configure the page we're fetching from. So let's now navigate to the catalog categories template page. And on this page, let's insert a div and apply a class name of fetch. Inside, we'll place a collection list that sources our multi-reference shows. Great, if we switch through the 3 different categories, we can see 10 plus items are populating for each. Now let's create an 8-column grid here with a thumbnail image for each. Now the last thing we need to do is apply a custom attribute name to the div that we're wanting to fetch. This name must match the value of TE_fetch target. And if I recall correctly, we called this catalog-list. So let's quickly head back to the home page to double check our fetch target value. And yes, you can see it was catalog-list. Awesome. The setup is complete, so let's publish our project and see if we've been successful. And there you have it, we've successfully nested more than 5 collection items. We can also use this power up on static items or to even pull another page's content inside a pop-up modal. The possibilities are endless.